Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into NEC Article 680, which covers the requirements for pools, spas, and other outdoor electrical systems. If you're planning to install any electrical equipment around a pool or spa, it's crucial to follow the NEC safety standards to ensure safe operation and prevent electrical hazards. Let's break down what you need to know. This video is brought to you by Positive Electricians, your go-to experts for electrical installations, repairs, and EV charger setups. Visit positiveelectricians.com for more info. First, let's talk about the general rules for pools and spas. According to NEC Article 680, there are specific installation requirements for all electrical systems associated with pools and spas. These include the lighting, heaters, pumps, and filter equipment, all of which must meet the necessary safety guidelines to protect from electric shock hazards. One of the most important safety measures in Article 680 is grounding and bonding. Every electrical system connected to a pool or spa must be properly grounded to prevent electrical shock. NEC 680.26 outlines the bonding of metal parts such as pool ladders, handrails, and pumps to ensure that these components are electrically connected to the ground, preventing any differences in electrical potential that could cause injury. Another key aspect of NEC 680.23 is the installation of lighting, including underwater lights. The NEC requires that low-voltage wiring is used for lights installed in wet locations, and that the wiring is protected with proper conduit and insulation to prevent water from coming into contact with the wiring. Additionally, GFCI, or ground fault circuit interrupter, protection is required for all pool-related lighting and receptacles to protect against electrical shock. NEC 680.22 covers the wiring requirements for pool and spa pumps and heaters. These systems require dedicated circuits and must be properly sized based on the manufacturer's specifications. The wiring needs to be installed with the appropriate protection, using conduit where required, and must be weatherproof to withstand exposure to the elements. Next, let's talk about the clearance requirements. NEC 680.12 specifies the minimum clearances around pool equipment and electrical panels. There should be at least 5 feet of clearance around electrical equipment such as pumps, heaters, and light switches to ensure safe operation. These clearances help prevent accidental contact with live parts and ensure that maintenance can be performed safely. GFCI protection is another critical requirement for pool and spa electrical systems. NEC 680.21 mandates that all outdoor receptacles within 20 feet of the pool be equipped with GFCI outlets. This is essential for preventing shock hazards, especially in wet environments. Before completing the installation, always perform a final inspection and test the system to ensure everything is functioning correctly and safely. NEC 110.3b requires that all equipment be installed according to the manufacturer's instructions and that the system passes all safety tests to ensure compliance with NEC standards. To sum it up, following NEC Article 680 ensures that pool and spa electrical systems are installed safely and comply with the latest safety standards. Proper grounding, bonding, and GFCI protection are key to preventing electrical hazards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more electrical tips and NEC breakdowns. Got any questions about pool electrical safety? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. Need professional electrical services? Contact Positive Electricians at positiveelectricians.com or call us at 844-411-0240. We're here to power up your home and business.